This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, good morning to all. So, thanks for joining today. Today session is mainly we are conducting because of most of the people are already working in IT industry, and also some people are new to IT industry. So our main intention is to everybody should get job, whoever trying hard in their career, whatever they are learning. So how we are going to build the gap between your knowledge and also how to overcome to get success in your job, whatever knowledge you are gaining. So most of the time, everybody learning courses and everybody gaining knowledge. So that knowledge is going to helpful to understand the fundamentals, what is what it's all about, why we are doing, and how it's going to be helpful. So how that knowledge you are going to convert the success, how that knowledge is going to convert the real-time industry expectations, how you are going to manage that knowledge to achieve your career path successfully. So those are all the things everybody require. So most of the people having problem like they are doing too many courses but they are not getting jobs. So how we need to prepare, how to overcome industry challenges, how to get the jobs. So everywhere there are a lot of plenty of opportunities are there. Even everybody talking about recession, there is no calls, no jobs. But even this time, we can see there are a lot of opportunities are coming up and there are a lot of calls are there. How we are going to achieve, how to prepare to get the better opportunities. So we have, so today I invited a few people, we can call it as our guest people, whoever like you, they are also struggling for job last couple of years, and after that they got very good opportunities, and also some people already started their career into software industry, and will try to understand so how to get that experience so that we'll also get motivated, saying like how we also prepare well. So what are the ways we can prepare and how to improve our knowledge, how to think, how to start, how to overcome the fear. So those are all the things are very, very important for everyone. So initially, whenever we start something, automatically we'll get a lot of fear. So main thing everybody should notice, like we need to overcome the fear. So fear, it is whatever fear you are getting, that we need to overcome. Whenever you overcome the fear, automatically you will get the confidence. Whenever you get the confidence, will get the subject, will get the clarity in the subject. So now whatever you are looking, everything it is going to show like it's a clumsy. So it's all coming like a multiple things it's showing whatever you are visible. But whenever days are counting, whenever you keep increase the confidence, automatically will get the clarity what you are looking. So if you get that clarity, automatically you get the clarity in the subject. Once you are good in the subject, you will get the clarity in the presentation. That is going to give the confidence and it is going to clear the interviews. So that is very, very important for everyone. That's the reason we are here today. So I know most of the people having very good knowledge and they are good, doing very good. So, but even they are good, but they are facing some challenges. So just to understand what kind of challenges they are facing and how to overcome. So we need to discuss the people like you, how they overcome this success. We have to raise too many questions. This is not like a, I am teaching something, you are listening. This is kind of a interactive session. Everybody should understand the problem. Whatever problem you are facing, we need to speak out and we need to understand how to overcome those kind of challenges, whatever you are facing exactly. So that's the reason we are all here. It's clear, right? Everyone accept that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is not the session for myself. So this is the session for yourself. So if you hesitate asking something in this session, you never get success in your life. I'm telling, right? Still you have that kind of feeling like, so if I talk something, others may feel bad. If we don't overcome those kind of challenges, definitely we'll get a lot of issues in your life. That is what I'm telling. So that's the reason. So we already have, first we'll take the experience from the different people. So after that, we'll have some detailed discussion session, like any questions, any kind of questions. If you have this kind of feeling, how you overcome. So we have different people we invited. These are all very good, and so all these people struggle a lot to get the jobs in their career, but finally they achieved with multiple offers. So they are very happy and they are doing very good, and they are managing their jobs on their own. So we have, first we have, I think Krishnamurthy is there. So thank you, Krishna, for your time joining today. So, and also congratulations for your job. So you got, I think Wipro and Infosys, still other offers also counting. So he's going to join in next week. So congratulations, Krishna. And
Thank
also
you,
we
sir.
have Anuradha. So Anuradha also struggled a lot for getting job after long career gap, and after that she got multiple career, multiple offers in hand, and also she started her journey last 2 months, and she's doing well in the job. So these are all the really motivation for us to, why can't we do like this? What is wrong with us? That
Thank
kind
you,
of
sir. Thanks for inviting.
energy we need to get. So that spark we need to store in our brain. Sometimes it will, the spark it will come, right? So that kind of time we are going to, it's kind of very interesting, and very, this hour it's going to change our thinking, and this next hour onwards we are going to do our things differently. That kind of motivation we are going to get in this session. And also we have Nagamani also joined. She also struggling a lot after long career gap. I think more than 8 or 10 years gap. Now with kids and also family, busy life, she struggled a lot and get the job. And she also got multiple offers in hand with Infinite and also Wipro, LTI. So now she already joined last 1 month back in the company. So I invited Nagamani also today's session to just share their experience and how they struggled and how they gained the confidence to build their career. Very good. So it's all going to help our family and also our kids' future, and everything is going to change in our life. So this is very important for everyone to get the better career opportunities, right? So a little, it's kind of interesting to hear their words, like how it's going to overcome all those things. So I'm not going to talk much in this session. It's all, you guys need to talk, you guys need to discuss, raise more questions. That's all that is our main agenda for our today's session. If I talk much, it's kind of one directional. If you talk, if you try to understand your problem, if you try to get the solution that problem, that is where your actual success going to start. Should get like that kind of perseverance. It's kind of, I want to know something, I want to get some more information, how they did, this is what the problem I am getting, how they overcome this problem. That kind of aggressive way we have to get the points, whatever you have in your mind. It's all good, right? Is it useful? Anyone? Everyone? So I need
Yes, sir.
response
Yes,
from
sir.
everyone. Either
Yes.
I need to
Yeah.
get response from chat window or you need to get talk. So I'm expecting you should
It,
talk more. Then only it will be helpful, right? So if I'm talking, if you are just listening, it won't much. It's not kind of class. It's kind of, we are all the people with just similar kind of mindset people we joined here. We are just interacting each other. Okay, I'm expecting everybody keep unmute, and also if you don't get any disturbance, keep unmute and feel free to talk much. So that is going to be helpful a lot. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So, yeah. So first we'll give opportunity to Krishnamurthy. So he will share his journey, like from his education, and after that what he did, and so then how he started, what are the different things he did, how he utilized the opportunity, and what are the ways, what are the challenges faced, all those things. Krishnamurthy, can you please just, it's kind of explain all your journey, like
Yes.
as a general way, like we'll see promo, right, about something. So just show some interesting points about your career, and just share your journey with us.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. First of all, good morning to all.
Good morning, Krishnamurthy.
Okay, very good morning. First of all, I would like to
Yeah.
introduce myself because actually I'm a BTech graduate, passed out in the year of 2017. Actually, after my BTech passed out, I went to Hyderabad for doing some courses like Java or Oracle because the after my graduation I went to Hyderabad because I need to get some coaching. At that time, I don't have knowledge on which course need to join. I joined full stack developer. Started listening the classes and practicing, but after 1 month, I did not get a chance to mingle with the course because the full stack developer in the sense we have much knowledge on programming side. Actually, I'm not that much good programmer. So coming to my BTech percentage, I'm just only 56 percentage. It's like a second class you go, and after that I stick to the family because of some family issues have happened to my father, and I spend a lot of time in home itself. At that time I went to the Suzuki showroom like a sales advisor. That salary is not enough for me because it only 7K in our hometown. As a BTech graduated, I am getting 7K, and since everybody surrounded and neighbors will talking about that, Your son has did a BTech, but why he is went to like that?" Because of my family issues, I went there and I did some 3 to 6 months, I think so. After that, I got a chance in Byju's BD also, like a sales admin. We need to sell the education premium plans to the students, and I teach on how to guide the student in which way to demonstrate like that. But it is quietly different from my domain because I am a CSC background as a programmer developer, but I am doing a sales job. It's completely irre- irre- irreplaceable. Okay, and after that I decided I want to do something that which is useful to me. So I started learning SQL, for not from the Suresh sir itself, but initially I started some watching YouTube videos or Udemy courses like, but it doesn't work. And suddenly in YouTube I got some suggestion or some advertisement like someone Cloud Hill Snowflake developer. I inquired about this Snowflake developer, and it is like a cloud data warehouse. We just want who knows the basic of SQL queries and something related to SQL. It might be helpful to that. At the time, I reached to the sir and asked that, "Sir, could you please guide me how to get the job in SQL, and what are the ways to improve our career like that?" I started I was following the SAR at demos, and once I decided I need to do something because if you won't survive with the 1 lakh package to 2 lakhs package, if you learn the skills, definitely it will enhance your salary package also. I taken a entire course from SAR. After that, I am unable to crack the interviews also. So after that, I sit and decided I need to be strong at the each and every topic. Then only I will crack the interviews. Coming to my first four interviews, I did not answer the single topic also because they will ask. Coming to the interview point, there are two kinds of rounds. The very first round will they call it as only subject. You know what is what. So suppose you know Snowflake and what are the activities. Tell me about architecture and what are the micro partitions. And like that, the concept will asking. When coming to the technical second round, it completely real time they are asking. What are the exact roles you are participating in the project? And what you did and what are the tasks you are doing, so it is completely irrelevant from the. So I lost so many interviews in the second round itself. Then I decided I need to search more on Snowflake documentation and as well as YouTube channels and some friends guidance and as well as Suresh sir guidance. And I go through the YouTube channels, like some other channels are available, better go to search and on Snowflake itself and learn the basic concept. Suppose I would like to explore some concept. What is micro partitions? They will ask, and you have to learn why we are using micro partitions. What are the importance of micro partitions? Where exactly we are using the micro partitions? You have to analyze these three points on each topic. Definitely will crack the interviews. So my only suggestion is we have to be good at concepts. Then only we are cracking all the interviews. And first of all, you need to get a strong idea on the each and every concept. But in Snowflake, it is easy because we have only up to 5 to 10 topics only. Majorly, we are focusing on 5 to 10 topics that are called, suppose SCD types. They're asking SCD implementation. Have you implemented any SCD types or not? So you know what is the process and from source to end. You know how many processes are available and what is exactly this process happening and where we are using for these data pipelines. You need to know each and every concept, then it will be easy to you because they will ask something you can explain everything about that. They will impress your expressions and how the way you explain a particular topic, they will impress with your explanation. So my sincere suggestion is you have to be thoroughly grip on each and every concept. That may be a simple concept like micro partitions or even time travel also, where you exactly implemented the time travel. So we have to know why we are using time travel and where we need to use exactly time travel. What are the benefits of this time travel? So when you are feeling comfortable with all these three areas, definitely we'll explore some few points and as well as your explanation is completely different. Okay, my suggestion is try to follow the concepts, not the topics, and you have to be perfect on each and every topic because it is not an exam to uh, take a choice for if I know time travel, I don't want to learn a fail safe because in your real time you have to implement both only. So try to focus on each and every point and learn completely. Do not give any choose any choices that if I learn something means if in real time you have to work on each and every topic. So majorly focus on each and every topic and learn the basics and as well as advanced. At the same time, you have to learn how to implement. That is also very important. So go through videos couple of times and learn from the Snowflake document as well as go to YouTube channels. And so many blogs are available. If you don't know how to Google it means try to find out everything in Google is available. If I note down the questions in the interview point of time and I searched in Google and asked to the friends and I go to the YouTube tutorials and make down the notes and read it and practice it well. So that's all I think. If I remember some of the points, I will let you know after some time. Thank you, sir.
Hi Krishnamurthy, very good morning.
Yes, yes.
This is
Sayed.
Sayed. Yeah, Nazaruddin.
Yes, yes. Tell me, bro.
Next week I have an interview schedule. So could you
Yes,
please
yes.
suggest me what kind of questions they are asking in interview? That means in the sense of
Definitely, sir.
which we have kept,
Yo, okay,
which
okay.
we are
First
kept.
of all, it is like a second round technical or first round science, bro?
No, it is the first round itself.
As well,
First round in the sense you have to be perfect on each concept. Like, do you have you shared any data sharing concept? They are may asking, and what is
Okay.
explain about architecture, and what is the roles, and you have faced any issues in the typical situations in our project, and what is a procedure and like a project cycle of your previous project,
Okay,
and
okay,
have you implemented any time travel concepts, and after that what is explained about why we are using views, materialized views, secure views, what are the major different points of these three. Okay.
okay, okay,
And after that micro partitions, what are the benefits of micro partitions, like that. After
okay, okay,
that, so you have micro partition in the sense we need to explore each and every point why we are using, what is the exact use of micro partitions, and what is the exact size of the micro partition, and how it is useful to, and what is the data warehouse you're using in your real time.
okay, okay.
Yes, bro. Apart from that,
So
any other question?
basically, they are asking mostly on real time scenarios.
Real time scenarios only. Okay. Everybody wants their if you're putting experience in the sense they want to explore the how you experience in the previous company, like that they are asking.
See, actually, Syed, just to add your question. So basically, nobody have real-time knowledge. See, even Krishnamurthy or whoever getting jobs, just the way you are giving answer, the way you are convincing answer is very, very important. If someone asks some question, we should not give the one-to-one answer. It's kind of should not give the short description answer. We have always convincing that answer, saying like this is how the situation. You have to take some situation like what you work, what you learned in class. Or we have to make that situation as a really. You have to create the impression that you worked on that. Even interviewer also don't know really they have answer or not, but they are just checking your confidence and communication, whether you are able to deliver things correctly or not. That is very, very important. So we have in this point, if there are some question, you have to convince the person like, so how you manage that situation in your work. That is what this they are checking, you really worked or not. So you should not see there is some difference between person. Nobody worked here. So people who are getting jobs, they are working in Snowflake is a new technology. Earlier they worked in some testing and non-technical job, and some people never worked anything. So how all these people just they have that skill to convince the interviewer. That is the only the difference. People who are getting jobs, who are trying to get the job. Got my point, right? So, and also
Yes,
we
sir.
have other people, so we'll take their experience also. After that, we'll get more clarity and what. So here we need to observe as a person, as a human being, what skill we need to get. So, as a Krishnamurthy explained, how confidently he is talking, how confidently he is presenting the things. That is what we have to focus. That is what we need to observe here. You got my point, right? So, so rest of the things will come automatically. So it's kind of how you are preparing daily. You are taking some set of interview questions. You are preparing that, and you are gaining your knowledge day by day. So sometime maybe it will take 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks time. You are going to get the opportunity. It's all experience that's going to convert as a success. So you got it right. Yeah. Next, I
Yes,
think
sir.
we have. Thanks,
Sir,
Krishnamurthy. Again, we'll
sir,
take
sir,
some. Yeah. Yeah.
someone Irana is available. He's my friend, my brother friend, sir. Actually, he want to explore some points about the interview tips. Irana, I think so. Could you please call him because actually he got so many offers in hand. Recently joined in company. I only called him, sir.
No, he's from which technology?
The Snowflake only. He left it. Okay, sir. He left it just now because I only invited him to explore some few points regarding the
Yeah, yeah. We'll ask
inter.
him first. We'll give chance to our students, and then we'll give chance to Iran as well. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
sir.
yeah. So yeah, I think we have some other people. Iran also will take Iran's suggestions and guidance also here. So we'll have other people like Anuradha. So Anuradha experience is a little interesting and it's kind of motivating for all people whoever want to start their career back. So she'll give some suggestions and she will help us like how she started her journey and what are the challenges faced and how she's overcome the work, how she's managing job. All those things will get from her. Okay. Yeah. So thanks, Anuradha, for joining your busy time. Please, you can just share your experience also, so that will be helpful for others.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for inviting us. Hi, everyone. Good morning. I have started my career very good morning to all. I started my career after a long career gap. It's around 10 years. Initially, first I have searched for courses, which course means after 10 years gap, it's not an easy task. Which one I have to select, which course it is suitable for me, because I don't want to take that much. I have searched for the courses. So after searching, finally, luckily, I got Cloud Hill. Like in YouTube, I have watched sir videos. After that, I met means I have contacted sir. After that, I have joined in Snowflake. After completion, whenever classes are going on, what I have done, I used to practice the topics whatever covered by sir in the class. I was trying to get hands on daily. After that, I watched so many YouTube channels, videos. After that, and Snowflake documentation, I have explored myself more. So whenever I have started, I want to start means in interviews. That time, initially I don't have means I have lot of fear. So first, what I have done, I have given mock interviews taken by Suresh sir. In that mock interviews also, initially I scared. Even I was unable to talk also. After that, sir told to me, you need to improve, you need more confidence, then only you will get. Like the sir gave suggestions. Day by day, I improved myself, and I have given lot of mocks. After that, I started giving interviews. First interview, up to 4 interviews, I don't have confidence. I was not selected. So what I have done, whatever questions are asked by me, uh, means whether it is, I try to say something. Means even without saying anything, I try to say something. And whatever questions asked by interviewer, those questions I practiced after interview. Even if I selected or not, I was not bothering about that. What I have done, I keep on giving interviews, and I have noted down that questions, uh, like if it is theory questions, we can answer. Sometimes I got real time questions, project related questions. Even I don't have any IT experience before. So what I have done, I tried to means I owned it. In my project, I have done like this. In my project, I used to like this. Like that, I have owned myself, and I convinced interviewer. After 4 or 5 interviews, whatever interview I have given, I have selected. Like that, I practiced and I got opportunities. And after getting job also, like now I'm working in project. So even before I didn't work, I kept 4 years experience. They're asking me, before project, what you have done, what your work was going, like the questions they asked me. I have given, I means like I'm practicing whatever I'm trying now in my project. What is the requirement, how work is going on. Now I am understanding, I am doing work myself without taking any help. So my suggestion is, first you try to explore yourself. You try to speak something without practicing with without practicing, without interacting with people, without giving interviews, we can't get the job. That is my suggestion. You whatever classes, whatever you learned, you try to explore yourself, you practice. Yeah, in project, how you prepared?
Just Anuradha, so you started your career with a long gap, right? So are
Yes,
you able
sir.
to understand? See, you are from which BTech, which branch?
I'm MCA, sir. I did my MCA from Usmania University.
Okay, MCA, but after gaps. So after career gap, are you able to understand it's a latest technology, right? Are you able to understand the things? First, initially, our mind is somewhere. It's very difficult to
No,
focus, right?
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
how?
I struggled a lot, sir. Initially, first means couple of days I tried. So means I faced a lot of challenges, sir. Even uh, I was unable to understand the concepts, what is going on. After the day by day, I improved myself, sir.
So how you overcome that challenge? So it's common problem for everyone. So basically, whenever we want to start something new, right? We don't
Yes,
get interest to learn that, but we get a lot of diversions like, oh, so it's very difficult to understand. Is it I am the eligible to learn these things? So like that, we'll get demotivated ourselves, right? So how
yes,
you, so what motivated you to handle those kind of situations?
yes, sir. Actually, it is very difficult after a career gap, and people also like how they means in my neighbors or in my relatives, no one believed me. After a long gap, she started her career. Means even how she will get, she won't get success like that, they thought. But initially, I faced a lot of challenges, like I was unable to I understand the concepts. What I have done first, I have attended the sir class. After that, again I watched the videos, keep on watching the videos. After that, I practiced whatever topics covered by sir. I practiced my own. I got a hands-on experience. After that, I went for Snowflake documentation. There, I explored myself. Means more knowledge I gained from the documentation. After that, I have watched so many YouTube videos like that. And in interview, whatever questions are real-time questions, whatever questions asked by me, those questions I have noted down. I searched answers for the questions like that. I prepared, sir.
Yeah,
Even in
main
my
change,
project is
see, basically, what I noticed, like main change is like it's kind of self-confidence, right?
yes,
So
sir.
earlier,
First, I
we
yes,
don't
sir.
have any confidence, whatever work we are doing. So whenever we keep improve our self-confidence, automatically things going to change. So what we want, it's going to come, right? So
Yes, sir.
how
Initially,
you developed your self-confidence? So on the subject and also career. So even I can see initially whenever I'm talking with you, I can see a lot of fear. Whenever you are
yes, sir.
talking, you feel tensed and so you feel yourself like. Sir, I'm not able to get anything. It's very difficult for me to learn. Like that kind of words I heard whenever I met you initially. You remember, right, Anuradha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now,
Initially,
after
I scared,
you
sir.
started your career, you got job, and also you started working on your own. So then, why all these changes? How this transformation happened in your life?
Yes, sir. Initially, I felt I degraded myself. Means people who are working in real time, they have lot of knowledge. They are means they are intelligent. I'm not that much now. I don't have that much knowledge. I am not capable. Like that, I thought. After initially, I scared a lot. Even I was not ready to give mock interviews also. With sir motivation, I started giving mock interviews. Either it is wrong, right or wrong, I was trying to speak something. After that, I realized this is not the correct way. Whatever we are saying, we have to say in a with confidence. So whatever topics in theoretically I learned, I practiced a lot, and I warned myself, oh, in real time these topics, we if we will get a chance to work on this topic, we need to work like this, like I thought like that, and I means I improved my confidence and my skills, then all this possible to me. And in my project also, initially 2 months back, I started working in project. Initially means as an experienced candidate, means I kept experience, but I don't have any experience that time. I scared. After that, with whatever knowledge we have, I'm able to do my work my own. That I want to say to you. It's all depends on your confidence and your hard work, and how you are improving your skills day by day. Then only it is possible to me.
Yes, that's very good. So basically, one more point here is like it's not like we don't see always we have to improve the self-learning capabilities. That is correct, right, Anuradha? So
Yes, sir.
self-learning is it's going to help you a lot. So like so whenever you read some article, whenever you want to watch some YouTube channel, so you have to focus, you have to show interest to understand that. You should not stick only that whatever we are discussing in the class. So we have to take that reference, and based on that reference, if you go to the Snowflake documentation. So whenever you start reading on your own, right, how much you are able to understand, how much knowledge you are going to gain on your own. So that is what even we got it from Krishnamurthy also saying same thing, right? So that kind of self learning and self practice is very very important. Then only, so that Google or documents is these are all the things, it will be available lifelong. So it's not like person like me, people who ever join here, they won't be available from tomorrow. So which is available with us only the documentation. Whenever you start habituating learning things on your own, which is available lifetime, automatically that's going to help you a lot. It's correct, right?
And yes, sir. And with only theoretical knowledge, whatever we are gaining, that is not enough. That we have to implement that knowledge in a practical manner. Like, suppose, I'm telling about one top time travel. How this time travel concept is helpful. How we are using this concept in our project. How it will helpful to us. What is the use of this project in real time? Like that, you have to think. You have to own the subject. You can think already. You are working in a. You can feel like this already. You are experienced. You worked on this topic earlier. Like that, you can think and you can practice. You get a hands on. Then only it may helpful to you, and you will get the job definitely.
Okay, very good. So, and one more question. So, after joining in the office, like so you don't have anything, you assumed everything, it will be like this. So, whatever you assumed at the time of learning, it's you felt exactly same when once you join in office. So, how you manage once you join in office with the team members, and
Yes.
so you felt any difficulty at that time whenever you were
Uh,
going to start your actual project?
Yes, sir. Initially, when I gave client interviews and all that time, they convinced whatever answers, means all real-time questions. What is they asked me on my previous project, whatever project I mentioned in my resume, they asked on that project only. So they 2 to 3 interviews they have taken. They have taken me in that project. After initially, I got fear, like I told I have 3 years experience, 4 years experience, but I don't have any experience. How can I work in this project? I got scared initially, really. After that, after seeing the work, means what type of work I'm getting, how what I have to do. Day by day, I'm trying to understand the concepts. All are related to Snowflake concepts, but we have to understand the requirement. We have to understand the situations. Initially, I scared to talk and to mingle with my team also. After that, I have started initially in my project. I worked like this. How I have to work on this? What is how to start like that? I interacted with my team. I'm starting work on that issues and stories. Day by day, I'm improving my confidence. Now I'm interacting with my team, and I'm going to office also. I'm not feeling difficult now.
So you don't feel any gap now, right? You feel like really
No.
you worked on 4 years
Yes.
in your career, and you are just balancing. Some people already really work their industry 4 years.
Mm.
Whenever you are talking with them, so is there any difficulty you are facing, like knowledge point of view, behavioral point of view, any challenges you faced when even you are you started going to office also, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
felt any difficulty like that, Anuradha?
No, sir. Initially, I scared like how means they may know. Really, I don't have experience like that. I thought whenever I started interacting with my team, I told in my previous project I worked like this. What is the way to complete this task? First, I'm understanding the requirement. I'm interacting with my team. They are also helping me, sir. Now they're feeling already so, oh, she's very good at Snowflake. She need like that. They are thinking now, sir.
Yeah, that means, see, even you didn't work anything, even the way you are communicating people, they are feeling like you are really work.
Yes, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
how you created the confidence on yourself. That's how people also giving respect to you. And also they are thinking like Anuradha having very good knowledge in the subject. So, so you balanced everything, whatever you have career gap and whatever experience you produce, everything is, it's all balanced and you are managing your job very good. That's
Yes,
really
sir.
great. Yeah, it's very good, interesting, right? The Anuradha, how she started with fear, lot of fear. Whenever she's not able to understand the things, after that she got a lot of fear, and after that she started attending interviews and cracked interviews on her own, and also started work on her own. How all these things are happening in one person? It's same for everyone, right? I think most of the people who ever joined here, everybody having same feelings. Yes or no? You accept or
My
no?
yes, sir.
Yes,
My
sir.
family members. My husband also not a. He's not a software employee. In my family, no one is here to help me. Like I'm taking. Initially, I also struggled. Now day by day, I am improving. I'm understanding the requirement. I'm doing work myself. Initially, I like 10 to 15 days. I also felt difficult. But if we are good at subject like Snowflake and SQL, remaining all like if they will give any new technology, definitely they will support to us in project. We have
Exactly.
to
So
interact with people.
everybody need proper guidance and proper motivation, and proper things should come on time. Then only results going to change. In our career, in our past, it's kind of we don't get properly with what we need to do, how to start, where to start. So this is all the challenges everyone having, right? So whenever we get things, everything on time, so whenever we'll get support in all the ways, so automatically everybody having a lot of energy, everybody can do great things in their life. Only thing is we need to utilize the opportunities, whatever it is coming, that's going to helpful a lot for our career. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
kind of real motivation for everyone, whatever Anuradha explained from starting to ending, like how she started. Now she's able to manage the team members and she can handle the things on her own. So this is all really interesting journey, Anuradha. So thank you
Thank
very
you,
much
Krishna.
for your valuable words, how you presented. Definitely, it's going to help a lot for everyone. It's going to change everyone thinking perspective. So
Yes,
only
sir.
thing we need to observe here is whatever fear is there in our mind, that's it's kind of breaking our head. That is the only the point. If you overcome the fear, nothing is there. So everywhere that fear is following us, it's killing us to move to the next step. So just to overcome that and just try to achieve our great things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you very much, Anuradha. So anyone having any questions to check with Anuradha? So I'm asking more questions because on behalf of you guys, just hope you can also raise your voice.
Yes, please ask me. Initially, I was also like them, sir. Now I'm
Yeah,
so
they should
confused.
feel that. So initially, I'm asking everyone, you do talk something, open your mouth and do something. So now see, Anuradha also saying initially I was like everyone. Now she's able to talk with the people and she's able to answer the people. So you can imagine you also be like that next couple of months, next 2 months.
Yes, if we put our efforts, then only people will help us. Not only here, like sir, everywhere we will get help.
Correct,
First, we
exactly.
have to, yes, sir.
Yeah,
First, we have
whenever
to
we
put.
do something, then only something it will come automatically. If you don't do anything, everything should come from others, means nothing it will come. So we can't depend on anyone. We have to depend on ourselves. That is very important. As a family person, as an individual, so everybody having financial and personal commitments. So how you think? So what's wrong with you? Do something, try hard to get it, so that if you feel something like that, automatically something it will come, it's going to help you a lot.
Yes, people are
Okay,
working in software industry. They are also like us.
correct. Nobody know, just we are thinking they are something great, so we are good compared to them. So we are creating the impression like you are having very good knowledge. How that words are coming, it's all because of the hard work you are keeping, the learning things, whatever efforts you are keeping every day, right? That is going to be helpful to get that kind of words.
Yes, sir. Because of their hard work only, uh, they are in that position. We will also reach. We will also get success in software industry. We will also survive. First, we have to put our efforts. We have to
So
improve our confidence. Then only we have to
e-
interact with the people. Then only it's possible. I'm telling
exactly,
my personal experience.
that's very good actually, that's really valid point. So that is what everybody, people who want to try something, whether it is a Snowflake or it is a XML or it is a Power BI, Java, whatever it is, focus what you are learning. That is very important. Focus what you are learning, why you are learning that. So get clarity when what you are doing in your life. Don't do things blindly. If you do things blindly, again, it's again you are doing some other mistake that's going to spoil your career. So time is very important. So if you are losing one day salary is an average 2,000 rupees. 2,000, whether you are Saturday or Sunday also, even you are sleeping or watching movies, that is also you're going to get salary once you get the job. You are working 5 days, each and every day value whatever time you are wasting, that's going to pay for 2,500 to 3,000 rupees cost. Imagine the situation, if you are doing something nonsense which is not useful, you are going to indirectly losing money from your pocket. That is sure. Just keep it in mind, and we have to put our efforts very strong, then only. So it's going to be, once you get job, automatically things come to us. So we no need to until you get job, you have to struggle a lot. We don't worry about how much time you are sleeping, what you are eating, so what you are doing. Don't bother about others, only focus, learn, just only focus on learning what you gained extra. Before sleep, think about it, what extra points you added for your career, what extra knowledge you gain. So that is going to be helpful a lot. That's very important for everyone. Okay, so thanks, Anuradha. So congratulations again one more time. So we have one more person, Nagamani. Nagamani is also
Thank you,
very
sir. Thank you
interesting
so much.
journey. So it's again inspiring. It's inspiring to everyone. She's also housewife and with kids, and also after long career gap, started career and balancing everything. And then now she's got multiple offers in hand. So appreciate your hard work and efforts, Nagamani. Congratulations and thanks for joining. So yeah,
Yes, sir.
you can start,
Yeah,
Nagamani.
yeah, yes, sir. So first of all, good morning to everybody. Hi, this is Nagamani. So good morning, sir. So whatever the Anuradha shared her experiences, so exactly I also faced. Means I also completed my MCA in the year of 2009. Means 12 years maximum gap I have. So and I have two kids also. So I have very long gap. but my dream is I want to do a job in the software industry. So before 8 months also, I joined in another institution for taking the Sun software course. They are promised me to you have a very long gap, but we will provide a job opportunities too. They promised me, but so after 6 months, they are not able to provide any opportunity to me. Means regarding this 12 years of gap. So one of my relative, he told about Suresh sir. So I contacted to Suresh sir and discuss about my situation, whatever means I have a gap. So everything I discussed with sir, and sir encouraged me, and I taken this course and I completed successfully. I got some multiple offers also. So whatever Anuradha faced, everything I also faced. Means if you want, I don't have any real-time knowledge, so I worked 5 years I worked as a teacher, so I don't have any software knowledge, and I also forgotten every topic also. Means whatever I learned in my MCA, so everything I don't know, as a blind mind I have. So but I want to do job in software industry. This is my strong desire. So with the help of Suresh sir, at last I achieved that. So there is no anything, friends. Just I'm telling only one thing. Whatever Suresh sir is telling in the class, teaching in the class, everything you have to follow that. Means only practice, practice, practice. Everybody have to practice. Don't waste your time. So I also practiced so much time. Means from morning to evening, I don't have any time to practice actually. So as a housewife, as a mother, I don't have any time. So so many times up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Also I wake up and I practice so many times in the midnight also. Even I forgotten to eat also so many times. So like that I hard worked. So whatever the sir is explaining, so at the whole night, sometimes I practiced. And so um, only I attended only 5 interviews, that's it. So in the first is my Wipro, and second Infinite and Optum and L&T, like that. So I got in that I got 3 opportunities. I selected for Infinite and Optum and L&T. And so whatever sir is explained, that is more than enough, friends. So everybody don't waste your time, and everybody practice on each and every topic is very important. See, mostly you have only 10 to 15 topics, that's it now. So you can easily crack the topics also. And so first of all we have to understand if you take any topic, means just what is the topic, why we are using the topic, where we are using implementing the topic, what are the advantage of the topic, what is the syntax of the topic at the particular topic, that's it. You just Google it, and we have so many YouTube channels also, they are also explaining. First listen whatever sir is explaining, and practice more times. We have free accounts also na. So everybody practice, take at least take daily, take at least one topic, that's it. In 10 or 15 days everybody can get the very good command on each and every topic. So I also faced so many fear. Means I don't means I don't know how to communicate with others also. So I forgotten everything. So I have very long gap now. So I forgotten everything. So I don't know how to talk also. But I improved daily I improved. Um, and so practicing is very important, friends. Only practicing. Take each and every day, at least take one topic. That's it. Start from Snowflake architecture and that, and daily take one topic and practice it. That's it enough. And sir, whatever the sir is taking mock interviews, those are very helpful to me. So sir taken a 5 or 6 mock interviews to me. So I have very fear in the first interview, how but we have to leave that fear. Means first of all we have to speak out whatever that is wrong or right. You just forget it, just to speak out, that's it. That is very, very important. If you speak out, means then only you can daily you can get the confidence. If you just listening, means this is not helpful to everybody. Whenever speak, that is only helpful to you. If it is wrong or right, no problem. So practice well, everybody. And yeah, this is about me. Sir?
Yeah,
So nice to
thanks.
hear.
Thanks, Nagamani.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so just to kind of same questions, like you also having completely non-technical background with a lot of career gap, right?
Yes, sir.
So how your mind supporting to you to learn something? It's I if I am in your situation, definitely I feel like I don't understand anything initially. So how you got motivated yourself to understand things? What kind of struggle you faced and how you motivated with that?
Yes, sir. First, I also face same, sir. Sometime I thought, oh my God, what is this? Totally confusing me. Is it necessary for me? I also think like this. First, it is very difficult to me to understand. But with the patience, sir, with the patience, I sit on the laptop, in front of the laptop. I just revised so many times whatever you are explaining in the class. If we have already recording classes now, so I utilize that. So I listened so many times. Mean two or three times I listened your classes, whatever you are telling, teaching in the time. So that I slowly I understand the topics. So like that every day I'm revising the topics. So every day I'm listening the recorded classes like that. And also you are also motivating us very nicely, sir. Every day you are motivating. So like this, all the circumstances I improved, self confidence on me. So like this I achieved this.
Oh, great, great. Okay. So basically that we should have some strong desire, right? Sometimes in our life we need to achieve something. We are just wasting time. So we already waste a lot of time. Sometime that strong burning, it will come into our body saying like, I want to achieve something. I want to do something. If we have that feeling, automatically we don't get sleep also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Generally. So if you have generally when even without alarm, we start wake up at 5 o'clock. Earlier, we used to wake up at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Whenever we
Yes,
have that strong desire, oh my God, I want to do something. That action also, every moment, whatever you are doing in our life, that action is going to change, right? So
yes, sir.
you notice that kind of changes.
Yes, sir. Definitely,
Whenever
sir.
we feel personally in our body that kind of attitude, automatically we can count our success.
Yes, sir.
You accept that, Nagamani?
Yes, sir. Strong desire and self-confidence. So this is very important, sir. And hard work. Just to do hard work at only 1 to 2 months, that's it enough. You will get the very good package and in very good big MNC. Definitely. First of all, you have the very strong desire and confidence, and you have to speak out. First of all, speaking out is very important. Then
Exactly.
only you
That
will
is
get the.
this point is very important. I'm telling to everyone. If you don't talk, nothing come to us. So even it's wrong or right, just you have to speak out and just do. We have to feel like we are in 20 members or 50 members. If you go some meeting, we have to think like I want to open my mouth and talk something, whether it is a nonsense or it's a very good. If you have that kind of attitude, if you have that kind of mindset, I can say you are going to get job in 2 months. I'm sure about it. You accept or not, Anuradha,
Yes, sir.
Nagamani?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. Definitely.
that
Yes, sir.
is what, see, if you see the success people like the way Nagamani talking, the way Anuradha talking, the way Krishnamurthy talking, right? So once sometime back, it's mostly to few months back, their stories like us.
People,
Exactly.
yes, sir, situations may degrade you. Situations may depress, means people may degrade you. Situations may depress you, but you have to improve your self confidence. You have to improve your skills day by day. Then only it's possible. You see, daily. Now also I'm sleeping at 12 o'clock. I used to wake up at 5 o'clock because my son, I need to prepare food and everything for my family, and I have to do work till 11:30. I used to sleep at 12 night. I used to sleep at 12 p.m. and I used to wake up at morning 5 p.m.
See how
Few
all
months
these
we
things are
have to do.
happening. The managing family and also managing kids and learning new things and a lot of challenges in office. it's kind of we have some, if you people having that strong desire, right? I want to balance things, I want to improve myself in my life. Whenever you have that kind of feelings, then only we can able to
Yes,
achieve
sir.
things. It's not about subject. Don't think about subject, think about your desire, and you want to achieve something. You, that is very, very important. So if you have that strong desire, subject automatically come. Whether you are learning Snowflake, whether you are learning anything, it's not about subject, it's about something you are going to achieve in your life. This is very, very important.
Yes, sir. Whenever I get some depression or something negative in my mind, what I'm feeling, I'm thinking, if I did not do any job, what I have to do at home, like sitting at home ideal and watching TV, like that. So if I do anything, it will, if I do job, it definitely financially, or it will support to my kids and my family, like that I'm thinking.
Yes.
Exactly, it's a lifetime. We
Yes.
are going to we are going to support our family members, right?
Yes.
And also the pride you are getting in our society, like how people talking about others in family members, relatives, neighbors, everybody. The way looking things at our side is they feel proud about ourselves. Like, see, she's great. She did something after family also achieved something. So that kind of whenever someone talking about this kind of will get a lot of motivated, right? So we everybody got one life. So how come we just live that life simply like others?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's kind of motivation for everyone. Weekend motivation. Hope people who want to achieve something in their life, definitely they are going to change their mind, their desire, and they want to achieve something in their life. So all those thoughts it's got changed. That is what the main intention of our session, which is going to helpful for everyone. So anybody, I think Krishnamurthy, you are there.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I think we have another person. I think he's surprise guest for us. So Iranna, are you there?
He's not available, I think so, sir. Once again, I will call him too.
Can you
Because
please check quickly so that
yes,
we'll ask? Yeah, others having any questions, please feel free to ask. So that's what just now Nagamani also told, right? If you don't talk, if you don't speak, nothing will come us.
Yeah, hi sir, this is Sheikh actually. I have a simple doubt. Actually, I'm working in automation right now. Is it possible to migrate completely? I don't have any knowledge in SQL. If basic SQL is okay with to survive in Snowflake, or I need to learn depth SQL. That is the doubt.
Yeah, just you can call me later. We'll discuss on this, Sheikh. Okay. So just we'll have some. I think you can ask people also. Everybody, you as of now you got it right. They don't know SQL. They don't know what is SQL. Also, they got something. So now you can understand the situation, like what kind of people getting jobs and so what knowledge required. Correct,
Yes,
right?
yes. But I missed that. Yeah, I missed that conversation, so I am asking you. Okay, I will call you personally. I will discuss.
Sure, 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 sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Thank you,
I think.
Nagamani, also for your great motivation.
Yeah, if anyone having any questions, it's a kind of lost opportunity for everyone. We don't have any questions, everybody busy, even they have kids and family members. They want to take care everyone. Okay. So please let me know if you have any questions. So or else we can wind up this session. So Krishnamurthy is joining.
How do, sir?
no, sir, he has not looked the call, so that was I'm thinking. Better
Okay.
ask some
Again,
doubts in this.
we'll have other session. So mostly we'll invite him and so we'll conduct this kind of sessions every week so that it will be helpful for everyone. Okay. Yeah. Thanks everyone. We'll conduct
Yeah,
sessions
how?
again, one more session. So